Alrighty. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with finally something that's I think is not gonna be quite nearly as annoying as the last stuff we did. These areas over here. So first thing I want to do, maybe do this top outline of these, and then we're just going to come and start filling in over here. Alright, and we will use the dark green. Let's just kind of, first thing we should do is fill in these couple. Let's see something. Alright, let's go ahead and just start right here. Come on up here and then just kind of cut across. Kind of make this side a little softer. Just come up like this, then up here, kind of intersects here, and then kind of just turns off that way. Okay, so nothing too fancy there. Okay, let's start here. Alright, we're gonna start up here. Let's get up here. Okay, right here. Alright, and we're just going to kind of make an outline of this. Kind of come down to here. Okay. Then down here, kind of comes through here. Alright, then it kind of comes. And we're just doing this soft because this isn't quite that dark green. It's not super dark. Just kind of come down here. Just trying to do little landmarks for now. Kind of comes up this way. Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's go and just do the top outline. Alright. Alright, yeah, we're just gonna do this top. And then come back and start filling it in. So up here, we go all the way up to here. right there. Alright. Okay, now here's where we go sweeping across. Take this off. And let's be a little more careful with this thing this time, because I kind of messed up my paper on the other side. Okay. Gonna zoom in a little more. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead. I gotta say, absolutely positively, drawing something this big is, I mean, you really, honestly, I really should have re-taped the paper, moved it back about 4 inches this way. It's pretty limiting to have to, reach over this far, but I think it may just be, we'll just have to see how I end up doing this. This camera kind of prevents me from getting quite a bit closer. We'll see if I can tolerate it or not. If not, I'll just You may or may not have noticed I listen to the same music over and over again. It can be rather obnoxious, to be honest, but I try not to make it so loud. Okay, so that matched what we had done earlier. Alright, now let's go ahead . Let's just put this other one in here. Not for any, we don't really need to, but it's not gonna hurt anything. Alright. Let's go ahead and go. Just kind of avoid making perfectly straight lines because it's just not natural, really. It's kind of, there's just kind of like subtle undulations that you kind of want to. Alright, just trying to figure out. Yeah, I can get pretty close right now without.
Joey. Look at my eyes.
Yeah.
What is wrong with it?